Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode with Veggie Life. Today I'm going to show you how to make summer special Thandai Masala mix at your home. So here I've taken 50 grams of cashews, 50 grams of pistachios and 50 grams of almonds, 20 grams to 25 grams of khaskhas seeds or poppy seeds and 3 to 4 tablespoons of dried rose petals. So these are the main ingredients of the Thandai instant mix. For the flavoring, I have added 6 pods of cardamom or elaichi, half a tablespoon of black pepper powder, half a tablespoon of fennel or sauf, half a tablespoon of dalchini powder or cinnamon powder. So I've taken all of these ingredients in a pan and heated it to a medium temperature. I start by pouring out all the dry fruits one by one. That is the almonds, pistachios, cashews and the masala mix. In the end, we add the dried rose petals and give all of this together a quick mix. The temperature of the pan has to be low to medium heat and we need to mix this only for about 2 minutes. Later, we shall switch off the pan and transfer it into a blender. Blend it for about 1 or 2 minutes and then you will have your Thandai Masala mix ready. To make the Thandai, I have taken 10 cubes of ice, added it to the blender along with 250 ml of milk. For the sweetening, I have added 3 tablespoons of sugar to it. You can always go ahead and substitute it with honey. Now to the milk, we will be adding about 2 tablespoons of the Thandai instant masala mix along with half a teaspoon of turmeric for immunity boosting. Blitz and blend away at high speed to make a thick, frothy Thandai. Pour out the Thandai in a tall glass and garnish it with some slices of pistachios along with dried rose petals. Your Thandai masala mix is ready to enjoy. You can make this drink any time of the year in advance when you have the instant mix powder ready. Store the masala mix in an airtight container and refrigerate it. Do not keep it outside because it will go rancid. Do try this recipe and let me know in the comment box below how you like it. Until then, like, share and subscribe at Veggie Life. Bye.